So the pizza oven is looking really good. I'm so happy with it. Just burning little fires inside to get it dried out properly. But now I'm thinking it could do with a roof. So let me take you through how I did it. It's very simple. Just 3x2 treated timbers cut into shape, sitting directly onto the pizza oven because it's strong enough to take it. The front apex then is attached using little noggin timbers that go across the top of the brickwork and help support them. Notice the top of the timbers, they're not pointy there. I've cut them with a flat section, and this is so later we can put in a ridge timber, a piece of 4x1. Now I'm going up the sides, fitting feather edge board. This is board which is really easy to get hold of, and it's perfect for this kind of scenario. It's light, it provides a waterproof structure, it looks good, so I think it fits really nicely with the look of the pizza oven. I'm just leaving a little gap around the chimney there. You could buy a heat-proof collar to make it really watertight, but I'm happy with this. Now I'm pushing the board down, which was the underside of the formwork, and then I'm cutting it out with my jigsaw. And there it is, complete. And this is my dad, Chris. He built for me this rather neat little door as his own little DIY project. So I hope that helps. You get out there, cook good pizza.